Wednesday, February 21st, 2024. Saint Peter Damian. Focus. Who knows? God may turn and relent, so that we may not perish. The Lord is gracious and merciful, slow to anger, and abounding in steadfast love. But He is also a God of justice. When the day of retribution dawns, He will punish us for our wrongdoing. God's mercy and justice are two sides of the same coin. We need to see both these attributes together, not focus exclusively on one at the expense of the other. Unfortunately, today we often take God for granted. We say that He is merciful, He understands and forgives, that He knows our difficulty and the situation we are in. And we go on doing things that we know are not right in His sight. We continue to wallow in our sin. A time may come, and all too suddenly, when God's wrath will be revealed, and then it may be too late. In the first reading, the people of Nineveh do not take God's mercy for granted. When Jonah warns them to turn from their evil ways or perish, they respond. Amazingly, the king himself proclaims a harsh fast and urges his people to cry out for God's mercy. God relents, changes his mind, and allows his mercy to prevail over his justice. Fruit. We cannot take God's mercy for granted. Let us change our sinful ways, if that is the path we are following, and embrace his forgiveness.